here we are. The tank is out and something needs to take place. And I have to be careful with this puppy because it's dangerous to work with there's gas. But we're gonna make it happen. There's the compartment, which is open and of course needs a lot of work, and I'm gonna be doing it right now. I'm starting to peel the insulation on the right side. We remove the front panel from the driver's seat just to clean it and to have an opening, so when Jeff gets here he will be able to see the scope of the wood damage that took place. And we've been working diligently since this morning by insulating the back area. As you guys can see, great work. We finished the back wall. However, we won't be able to finish this corner here because we need to do some backing, and the backing won't be here until Jeff gets here. But we have work to do. Alright, today we are putting together all the insulation on the back end. As you guys can see, all the little crates and crannies have been covered, so we're safe. We closed a hole that was completely open from the gas area, and we sealed the area here for possible gas leakage that couldn't come inside. So that is no longer an issue. As you guys can see, the entire back end is completed. The light was completed, so the dark light is working. We finish up the back end of the generator, so we believe that from now on it's going to be quiet. However, the generator is not working. Here's the electricity for the light of the porch, and right now Jeff is working on it, and we're going to continue further later on with more on the judge's report. Alright, so we just finished doing the deep cleaning, prepping, setting up of the tank bay. We're going to proceed now to insulate the top part, and we're going to install the LED lights to make sure that everything works perfect. We're happy. This has been a great day so far.